The four deceased from Manchester truck crash on the Penhill Main Road identified. Hi again and welcome. This is Links Blood 7 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links Blood 7 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links Blood 7 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A man and three women died from injuries they sustained in a motor vehicle accident when the truck in which they were traveling overturned on the Penhill Main Road in Manchester on Wednesday, August the 18th. The deceased has been identified as follows: Donovan Peart, also called Kirk, a 40-year-old truck driver of Allside District in Trelawney; Denisha Williams, 39-year-old cashier and higgler of Trelawney; Susie Donwell, 30 years old, higgler of Dobson District in Colleyville, Manchester; Lilia Samuda, otherwise called Cutie, a higgler of Silent Hill, Moravia in Clarendon. Reports from the Kendal police are that about 2:15 a.m., the three women were passengers in a Hyundai motor truck that was being driven by Peart, which was transporting them to the market in the direction of Curbvine. At one point on the roadway, Peart reportedly failed to negotiate a corner right at Mispa and lost control of the vehicle, which overturned and collided with a concrete bus stop. The police were summoned and the injured persons were taken to hospital, where they were pronounced dead. The other passengers survived the incident. Investigations are ongoing into the incident. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.